Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Mustafa Rangwala and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been doing Arabic calligraphy for a couple of years, and so I have decided to make a video about it. In this video, we will be learning the basics of Arabic calligraphy and the types of Arabic calligraphy, and particularly we will be focusing on Naskh Arabic calligraphy. There are different types of Arabic calligraphy like Thulus, Riqah, Naskh and Kufik. As you have seen in the image I have shown. So let us get started. Arabic calligraphy is all about the proportions. If you know the correct proportions and you have learned them, then you'll master the style. So just before we get started, I want you to please press the like button and the subscribe button. Before we start, I would like you to know that while studying a letter, we will be first learning how it is written in solo, then how it can be written when it is middle between the two letters, and how it can be written when it is in the end. So before we get started, I would like you to know that I am using a normal marker which is in the inclination of 45 degrees. So let us get started with our very first letter, Alif. Every letter in Arabic calligraphy is measured by nuqtas, which are dots. So particularly Alif is measured by 5 dots. As you know, I have said earlier that every Arabic calligraphy style needs a perfect proportions. So these are the proportion and this is how it is measured. Just pull your pen straight down with equivalent height of 5 nuqtas, and in the end you just have to put a perfect stroke on the top, which is called the head of the Alif. So let us practice it. Let us see how do we write Alif when it is joined with letter. For example, let us write H. To join it, just pull your pen upwards. This height should be equivalent as the Alif, which is 5 nuqtas. You can make the strokes thicker, and that's how it looks. Just keep on practicing. I'll upload some practice sheet in the description below. So now let us move towards our next letter, B. First, let me show you how it is written. So let us now know what is the proportion of B. First, you have to just pull a small stroke downwards and lift your pen up. Later, start from that area and pull towards the left side and take your pen upwards. It's as simple as that. For the measurements of B, from the end to end, this area should be approximately of 5 dots. Then from here to here, the first stroke which you put should be approximately around 1.5 dots. And from the belly of the B to the end of the first stroke, this should be approximately the 1 nukta. I know it seems kind of difficult, but you will get to know after you practice it. So let's practice it a few times. So now let us look at the variations of B. Let us see how do we use it when it is in the middle of 2 letters. For example, our first letter is H. Then for joining B, you just have to pull it towards the upwards. Then stroke your pen towards down and pull it towards the left side. That's how it looks when it is in between 2 letters. Let me show you some more examples. Now let us see the third variations when it is at the end of any word. You just have to do the same thing after that writing any letter. Just use the solo B and just use it over here. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please stay tuned for the new coming videos. In the next video, we will be learning how to write H, the, R, Z, Sin and Swab. Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Please press the bell icon to know the further updates of the videos. Thank you and have a nice day.